Welcome back to the Mods YouTube channel. My name is Michael. Today we're going to learn about pendulum painting. Hey, welcome back to the museum. We are currently in our science park. Today we're going to show you a very fun activity that you can do at home, or you can also come to the museum and see us do it on a much larger scale. Behind me we have this contraption. Draven, can you explain what this is?
Yeah, Michael, this is a simple pendulum. What we did is we used a string. We got 3 paper clips and we made some holes in the cup. We attached it, and then we made a hole at the bottom. So, you can use a simple pendulum. I
see that we're attached to an easel that we have here, but what could our visitors maybe use at home if they didn't have an easel?
So we can use a broomstick attached to 2 chairs, so we have a fixed point.
Okay, and so obviously if we're going to do this, remember we're also going to want some paper on the floor for cleanliness reasons, and we also probably want mom or dad's help in order to get this done and in a fun way that everybody can join in. So tell me what exactly is going to happen here.
So we're going to put paint into our mass or our ball.
Yep.
And then we're going to swing it and we're going to see what happens.
So like on any pendulum, you're going to have 2 kinds of energy, right? We're going to have kinetic and we're going to have potential energy. So right now you holding that is potential energy, right? It has the potential to do something. There's stored energy there. But the second you let it go, we're going to go and just let it go. So now we have kinetic energy, and that is this actually moving. It is actually going. So a very fun connection to science while doing art, something that we love to do around here as well. So I think we're ready to paint, right? I really want to see what this is going to do. So we're going to need some paint. We got red.
Can you help me pour that in?
Yeah, I can. So remember, when you do the pendulum painting, the bottom of the cup has a hole in it. Make sure you plug the hole with your finger, or preferably your finger because it's the easiest. So Draven's going to put her finger there, and we're going to pour paint right into it. All right, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to draw that back a little bit less, and then we're going to let it go, and we're going to watch what happens. So here we go, 3, 2, and 1. And so as we watch this, now you can of course create all kinds of cool patterns with it. You can have it in a circle there so that you can really get these cool geometric patterns that are going to allow you. You can also get your paint a little bit thinner by adding water to it. Here we have a little bit thicker paint, but we're still getting a pretty cool design. Very random, but very geometric in shape. So again, something very cool to do at home. Broomstick between 2 chairs. You can add 3 brooms, right, if you've got them, and you can really create a bigger, wider field that you can really play in. And this is just paper, it's broomstick, it's yarn, it's paper clips, it's cup, it's paint. Things that you can find around the house. So thank you, Draven, so much for joining us today. Very fun, very cool activity. We hope you enjoy making this at home. We'll see everybody later. Have a good one. Bye. We want to thank the Emil Buehler Perpetual Trust for sponsoring today's video, and make sure you subscribe below.